Let's see if I get anything here. I just want that. Oh, go off. Minimum. Didn't pick up anything there, but I did have the fan speed too high. There's just one. Oh, there it goes. We got a little blow there. Okay, so that's all I want to do there. I'll let it build up. Let's go back outside. So now we're looking. Oh yeah, we're big over there. We cannot even get close. Okay, so I'm going to down the sensitivity. Let's turn the sensitivity down. Okay, so I just turned it down one notch. Nope, still too big of a leak. I just turned it down to another notch to medium. Nope, still too big. Now I just turned it to low sensitivity. So we're now, this hose that we see all the dye on, okay, so that hose that we see all the UV leak dye is what we're going to be going after. I want to do let's check cloud hunting mode. I'm zeroing. I'm out here in the clear. Let's go part per million. Let's go inside. I just want to see the smallest amount. Okay, now here lies the problem. We have a leak outside that's pretty big, and we're trying to determine whether or not we have a leak under the dash. But the dash is partially connected to outside. I gotta really make sure I'm in recycle mode, because I could be drawing in some of that gas that is leaking from right under the firewall crawl, and I'd be picking it up and it's coming right up over here and getting sucked right in here and coming outside there. I'm gonna see if I pick it up here. I want to kill that one. That noise just kills my ears. Let's come back here to cloud hunting mode. I want to see if I'm picking up. If it's pulling over here. So in this area, only one just okay. Okay, that's under the dash. All right, I'm gonna have to go after that more under the dash, but I'm trying to separate that. This gas accumulation is not drifting up to here, giving me a false positive. That is for sure. Next video.